really cool.
Very.
It's unearthly. I mean,
Yes.
it's like
Yeah.
you take those tall pine trees that were dead in fire, and you add this to it, it's like another plant.
Yeah. Yeah, it doesn't really look.
I know. I was watching that, and I was like, yeah.
They've got it. Well, they've all worked this way. They didn't even this way. And as a matter of fact, like look right down here to our left. So all this was running 2 years ago. All that was water. So all was cut. It was awesome. It was beautiful. You see how it flows? What? I guarantee you it's gonna feel like you.
Yeah.
What do you think there, Carl? I just know it's travertine. So you see all that out there where it's all colored and there's no water?
No.
So that was all water like last week, and it's all dried up. So that's all going to be white here. So this isn't, it's changing. So this isn't going to be as pretty next week.
So the closer to where it's coming up, it's bluer.
No,
No?
not in this area because it's
see,
not
that's
super.
kind of
Oh yeah.
Maybe
So
it's just
that's where it'd be
reflection off,
over
though.
180. And if you look at if you could see, and actually it was a couple weeks. This is just changing so much even right now. But where it's, you know what? It's basically shut off again.
It has?
It has. It's done. So that's Canary Spring right now, and it's not running. So it's dormant. So it hasn't gone dormant since last year. So it's dormant again.
dang it.
Yeah. Oof. Huh.
Where should it be running?
Right up where that steam's coming out.
Oh.
That should all be
So it's
water.
coming
See
from
how it's
that-
all this is dry now? This is all
This
water
is that
last
little hole
week.
right there?
And now it's
Another hole there
all,
and another hole up there. Yeah.
Yeah, the two little holes right
Yeah.
there.
Oh my gosh.
The water's pushing out of there.
ah. Smells amazing. I'm just kidding.